getting this thing cleaned up so you won't.
Okay, what is this vehicle that we're looking at here today?
We've got a 1988 fxrs.
Do my fancy cover over there.
Let's clean the grunge out of the inside of it.
Look at that chromium
Look at
cover.
that.
Ooh, it's better on the inside than the outside.
Yeah, it was black.
Way too much work. Is this an 88 FXRS? So that means it's got dual disc front end on it? That means it's got two of these on there.
It didn't have it when I first got it.
And then it wasn't an S, because the S's have 2 inches more
It
front end height.
No, hey, that's SP.
No,
Yes,
SP is police
SP.
bike.
FXRS SP had dual disc air ride.
The S had dual disc too. All the S's have dual disc. Sportster S, FXRS.
Don't stick your foot in your mouth.
Dyna S.
You may
That's
be
a
wrong.
big ass foot there.
You may be wrong on that
And
one.
it's got a chrome plated tip on it too.
We're going to put a new camshaft in it.
We're doing a cam? I thought we were working on primary and gearing. Camshaft. Why did you cut the bike on back? Because it was a camshaft.
Well, that's after we get the primary.
What's up with this fancy Pingle petcock you get on there? That is fancy.
Not that good.
Well, this is a genuine Harley Davidson from,
You got new
look at
lifters.
that. This is from New
Florida?
York. Is this a New York bike?
New York.
What? What's this?
This is a
Ooh,
camshaft.
Go fast parts.
Lifters, bearings. I don't want you. I'm going to take the other cam out of it. So
We're going to do everything. This has got that fancy swing arm I worked on a few years back.
Yep.
Okay, we're going to do this fully?
I had to make the brake arm for it.
No, I had to remake.
Had to straighten it
I had
out.
to remake the brake arm because it's a pile of crap.
It was curved.
This looks like stuff that's going to break. Garbage. Whose shocks are these? Ohlins. Those are expensive. How come they're not yellow?
What?
I thought all their stuff was yellow or gold or something.
Shock absorbers?
Orland. Yeah.
Ohlins? No, they're black for Harleys.
Oh.
You might go get them chrome too.
It's one of the Jap bikes have the good orange ones or gold ones. Alright, so you put a new alternator in it and you put new seals in it, right?
Yep.
Okay, now we're looking at doing a gear change, which is going to probably require a shorter belt back here. Because he was doing 4,000 RPM, about 65 or something, you said?
80.
80. He wants to go faster with lower RPM.
I don't think you've seen this part either.
What? Oh, you're buying the fancy
A new
ones.
front motor mount.
I don't know how those work yet. They should be good, though.
Brillo pad.
It's a Brillo pad. That's that guy up in LA makes those.
Somewhere.
What's the name of it?
Connect Structures,
Yep,
Arizona.
that's the guy.
Arizona.
Arizona? I think it's out in LA. Arizona. He's over there in Arizona. Aircraft mounts. They should work good. They should work good. Where's that go?
Front.
Front? No, it's got a rubber one in front.
Yeah, we're going to change that one now.
Oh. What about the back ones?
There's no bad one. There was the rear swing arm one's got all brand new,
All
like
new?
spherical bearings in it, but I put the swing arm on it.
Oh, you got bearings in there? No more rubber junk?
I think they're stainless steel.
Alright, what else have you done to this bike? You got a, this is not a factory paint
My
job.
custom exhaust on the other side.
This is no exhaust on this side.
The other side.
Oh, other side. I'm not on that side. I'm on this side. You got them fancy red plug wires on there.
Yeah,
Those are
MSD.
genuine MSD. Those are good wires. What about these Honda brakes you got on here?
Yeah, Kawasaki. Kawasaki.
I got the same calipers, but mine came off a Triumph.
The Nissan ones?
Trident. Yeah, Trident Sport, whatever they call it. We got black air cleaner. What happened? So how much did you pay for this muffler?
There is no muffler. It's just a straight pipe.
Did that cost more than $5?
I call that a stinger. That was wrong. Yeah, it did cost me more than $5.
Look at that, all that stuff in there. Where's my light? Why's the light off? There we go. Oh yeah, look at that big baffle in there. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. I'm sure that's not going to make any noise at all.
It's not that bad.
It's loose. It's coming off. It's not that bad. It will be when you pick some horsepower.
Noise-wise?
Hey, you got the same shock on this side of the bike. What's up with that?
Yep.
You got fancy wiring in there.
13-inch spoke. Front wheel.
There you go.
2000 and up forks.
Oh, this doesn't have a real carburetor. It's got an SNS on it.
And this one I have to put on too. It's a ground cable I didn't put it on yet.
Uh-oh. No groundy cable. You got these fancy good tires on here.
I do like those tires though.
Yeah. Sold to the right ones finally. Storms.
Spirit, aren't they?
Storm. Avon Storm. This one's a Storm.
Oh.
It says right there, Storm.
I had to file down this one a little bit in the back.
I saw that. This is Spirit. Oh, this is the newer one. This is Spirit. Spirit's the new tire. Storm is the old one.
They work good.
Yeah, they hook up. They're nice. See, we're having a problem over here. FXRs are not made to have rubbers on, because this is what, a 160, isn't it?
I think it's a one.
Oh, it's only 150.
Yeah. Was it like a 135 or 140 or something like that?
So we're gonna put a 1-inch belt on it. I think it's one we came up with, wasn't it?
Yeah. Or 1.8 maybe.
Off of a new Softail, with 08 and up or 18 and up or something. M8.
Forester.
M8 belt. We think that's what I'm gonna use. I don't know yet. We gotta figure out
We'll
the
find
length. So we're gonna put that's a 72. So we're gonna put on a 65. That should get our gearing up to where he's gonna drop down to a cruising speed. It'll be a lot lower.
Than it was.
That should lose at least 500 RPM at 80. At least 500 RPM. And being a Harley, it's marking its territory right there. Look at that.
That'd be when we tilted it up, I think.
He blamed that on me.
It doesn't leak. Normally it does not leak.
Jeez, it has a lot of bending in it.
There's a cotter pins in there kind of jammed in.
Oh, look at that monkey motion in there. How much does this thing lean over? A lot?
No, not since we fixed it.
No, we fixed this one we fixed?
Yeah.
This one we bent all the hill?
Yeah. I've got another one though, the stock one you said.
See, it's got these custom bins in here that somebody did.
Well, it was failing. It was starting to fall over on its own.
Yeah, it was too tall.
That's an extended one.
Okay, so I think we're going to work on the rear of the bike first. So you got a fancy tool to get this out of here?
Yep.
That's the fancy tool.
Yeah, socket.
You like my parts table there for you? You like that table I made for you? Just special?
Did you make that for me?
Yeah, twin cam motor.
Oh, okay.
Just special for you. Okay, what kind of a wrench is that?
Big socket fits on, regular 12-point socket
Supposed
fits
to be
on.
supposed to be a 12-point. What if you don't have a 12-point? What are you doing over there? That's not metric. Do you have a metric?
Are these metric?
What are you on top of my toolbox? Why are you in my toolbox? You know better than me in my
I'm trying to
toolbox.
find a socket.
Get
that
your
fits in
stupid fingers out of my toolbox.
there. Didn't you say you had a
Tools
socket?
are on the workbench.
You don't have a big enough one for this, huh?
I got all kinds of ones.
Here they are.
Oh, what's that? Oh, geez.
There's a 25/16.
What do you want, 1.25 inches?
Smaller than
What do you
that.
want, 1.25 inches?
1 3/8.
What do you want, 1.25 inches? Try it.
No, it's bigger than the last one.
What was the last one you tried?
5/16.
Oh,
And 1 1/4 inch.
1.25
Should be this one.
Well, look at that.
So nice that fits.
I guess pretty close, don't I?
We have
You got
half-inch drive socket.
You got a tool for that?
No ratchet.
1/2 inch drive ratchet?
You want to use air tools when it comes to 1/2 inch or what?
Yeah, I use big ass honking air tools. Let me go up here and grab that for you. Or if you want a good tool, we'll go down here.
Grab that for me.
We'll get you a real tool.
Breaker bar?
Black. Get some leverage with that sucker. That's industrial tools there. That's industrial use only.
It's turning on the other side.
So how long before that nut galls up?
What's that mean, galls up?
Seizes. Probably got what, a stainless axle on it, I bet.
It's got anti-seize on it.
Yeah, that's because the threads are going to gull up on it. Piece of crap. Alright, what do we got over here?
Same thing.
Oh, you got another fancy lock on it. So you got a stud with 2 nuts.
The axle?
So we need an 1.25 wrench over there. Be one of the ones on the left over there.
1/8. 1 1/4.
6-point. Oh, you went all out. You went with the good one.
Blue point.
That's top of the line. That's a real wrench there. That is a real wrench. And then that stupid snap-on tools.
Should we get the thing off the ground, please?
It's already loose over here.
Unloose you.
Pull it.
Finger tight. There's a lot of funny parts in here depending on what size axle you run.
Okay, well, we're going to have to jack this thing up. So grab the jack over on the floor. behind you. You could jack up the rear of the box, but you gotta clean the oil up.
I'm gonna put this back in the.
Why don't you clean up that oil there? You get a mess. Here, somebody came all over this. Someone wiped their butt.
That's what I did the primary.
Okay, get this out of the way so we don't damage it.
Kickstand down.
No, just put it right on there.
You sure?
Got a block right there.
I don't think a block.
I think a block will do what? So here's a Dyna-Built, but it's not going to work because it's too short. It's 131 tooth. This bike should have 136 tooth on it. So this is our checking belt here. You put these on there and wrap around and count how many teeth you need. This is a special Harley only tool. Very rare. Is the front of the bike going to go up?
Tie-downs on or anything?
Is the back going to go up or the front going to go up?
So I see if we got to put the kickstand down.
Are you under that knob? You're not under the knob. Why'd you move it forward? I put it exactly where I want it to be.
See the kickstand thing?
I want it to be right on top of that knob. That thing right there.
You can only, it's only on one side. It won't sit level.
I don't want to sit level. I want to sit in that knob right there. See that knob right there?
The kickstand thing. Okay.
That's why I put the jack right where I wanted it.
I don't think you saw that.
You don't think I saw it? I don't have glasses on like you. I probably didn't see it. You're probably right. I didn't see it. Right there. Perfect. Jack it up. You don't like my sideways jacking system?
It's not going to be level.
Jack it up.
It's not going to fall down.
It might. That's why you got a jack under
Don't we
it.
got to put tie-downs on it?
I got a tie down on it. One big one.
Loose as hell right now.
Good. Perfect. Look at that. Look at the back wheels coming up in the air. Look at that. Up, it's up. Can you turn it? Does the wheel turn? Oh, it's in the air. And the bike didn't fall down. Oh my God. What happened?
Get on the other side to pull it out.
It's called right here.
The washer right there is going to come out.
Why did it stop? Why did it stop? The axle quit moving. What happened?
I don't see anything.
Is there a shoulder on the axle?
No.
It quit moving.
Maybe it's that washer.
What washer?
That washer right there. See the washer come out?
Somebody just drove up.
Washer poke out of there or not?
No. There's a washer in there.
That's a washer right there.
I know there's one in there.
Okay. I thought maybe it was getting stuck on that.
I don't know.
Went back in easy.
Why did it stop?
The truth, I've never had this wheel back off. I've never
Taken this wheel off before.
Since we put it on that thing.
There it goes. It went through that time. Do we need to go up a little higher?
No, I'm just kind of floating. Those
There you
are
go.
parts.
If you take the load off the axle, it comes out easily.
That's what I was doing.
Look at this thing. This is fancy.
Grease.
I bet you this cost a fortune. What's this thing?
That's my rag.
Bathroom towel? You know the only shower we got's up there in the toilet.
Anything else fall out on your side?
Not yet.
You gotta take that brake caliper off of there.
I can't get my spacer out because you got too much crap in the way. Move the wheel all the way forward. Move the wheel forward.
Move it forward?
Yeah.
The wheel?
Yeah. Okay, belt's out of the way. Slide it back. Watch your hand up under there. So what kind of brake you got? Up in the air or hand down low?
Hanging down low.
You're on the wrench if you noticed. So the brake doesn't go down? Hold on. Pull it back and stop. Pull it back and stop. That's forward.
Where'd that wheel go? That space for me.
Well, you didn't go back, you went forward. It still fell out. If you went back, I was going to put my fingers in there, but see, I didn't do it because I figured you're going to hurt me.
I don't know if it'll come out with the brake caliper.
What kind of brake you got on this thing? Tokyo.
They ready to make the bracket for it,
It's a
man?
Japanese brake? No, it's a hanger. Can't you lift it straight up, right out of it?
Try to.
If not, you got to take the caliper off the bracket.
I think I gotta take it off.
It doesn't lift up.
I think we're gonna be able to get out of the.
It hits the rim? What's going on? You hitting the rim?
Oh,
Okay.
the caliper is in the rim.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll take the
Sounds
caliper
like a-
and the Allen wrench.
Sounds like one of them Jap Harleys. Maybe it's an M8. Good, he left. He left, that's a good thing.